BJP MP Kangana Ranaut kicked up a political storm after she said that the farmers' protest could snowball into a Bangladesh-like situation in India. Now, promoting her upcoming movie The Emergency, the actor turned politician made the controversial statement in an interview to a news daily. Kangana's statement has angered both the farmers and the Sikh community, with the Sri Guru Singh Samaj and the Sikh community of Indore demanding the withdrawal of the civilian honour Padma Shri accorded to her. Bharatiya Janata Party was quick to distance itself and asserted that the MP statement doesn't reflect the BJP's opinion on the farmers' movement. The Saffron Party also cautioned Ranaut to refrain from making such statements in the future. The Aam Aadmi Party in Haryana has also decided to stage protests against anti-farmer statement of the BJP MP, while leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has accused Kangana Ranaut of passing anti-farmer statements which are gross and an insult to the farmers of the entire country. He's also claimed that the centre has not only failed to fulfill promises made to the farmers but also continues to insult them.
मेरा अपना मानना है कि इस देश में आजाद हिंदुस्तान में अन्नदाताओं को बलात्कारी और हत्यारा पहले कभी नहीं कहा गया है। ये बीजेपी की सांसद हैं, नेतृत्व की बहुत चुनी हुई हैं और उन्होंने इन शब्दों का प्रयोग किया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये कह के पलट बिल्कुल नहीं झाड़ सकती है कि ये हमारा मत नहीं है, ये उनका वक्तव्य है। अगर कोई आपकी पार्टी में ऐसी कुत्सित मानसिकता व्यक्ति है तो उसको निकाल बाहर करिए। ये मैं कभी होता है मैं हृदय से नहीं माफ पाऊंगा, ये हमारा वक्तव्य नहीं, ये नहीं चलेगा। या तो निकाल बाहर करिए, उनसे हाथ जोड़ के माफी मंगवाइए देश के किसानों पे, और दूसरा आप खुद माफी मांगिए।
Amandeep Dixit, my colleague, joins me for more details. Amandeep, good morning. Clearly, with the fact that one aspect we did see the party distance itself, but as far as action being demanded for her has really put her in the dock now?
Well, absolutely, Naveda. Now all the political parties are trying to cash this statement for the political motives, and especially in the state of Haryana, where the elections are due on 1st of October. And that is the reason Aam Aadmi Party has announced a protest throughout the state at the different places and the different locations against Kangana. And even despite that BJP has completely disowned the statement, and for the further directions have also been issued to the Kangana that do not give such kind of statement, as this is the line of the party. Though all the political parties are very much aware that Kisan is all against the BJP, and even that is the reason they are trying to provoke and fuel this protest and through this statement, and just to provoke the people of Haryana against BJP ahead of assembly polls, so they can get the benefit, politically benefit in fact, in the assembly polls. So that is the reason. So even Congress is condemning this. Aam Aadmi Party has announced the protest. Even Kisan unions are also demanding the resignation of Kangana Ranaut regarding the statement calling farmers as a rapist, and certain kind of comparing the situation with Bangladesh also. So now the political party got an opportunity against the BJP, which is being ruled from past 10 years. Now another point they are getting to attack politically. So that is the reason, Naved, this entire political event has been organized in the state of Haryana to encash this one single line statement against BJP.
Right, Amandeep. Thank you very much for getting us more as far as this is concerned, and more importantly, the timing of the same. Having said that, let's leave it at that for now.